Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at Reddit stock, and on this chart we have two main interpretations, and the first one being the white scenario, in which we had a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, then another 1-2 setup, and we would now quite possibly be in the large third wave to the upside. It could be that we are in a larger ABC and still heading back within the support zone, but for now I do expect immediately higher prices, or relatively in the short time frame, I suppose. And then we also have the yellow scenario, in which we have a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, a third wave up, a fourth wave down, and then the fifth wave to the upside. Now, the problem I have with this yellow scenario is only that we actually broke below the 61.8% retracement level here, and it's not as brief a break below it as I would have liked to consider it. Okay, this is fine, it doesn't change anything at all. I could really argue that the break that took place here is enough to actually make me favor the white scenario considerably more. So now in the short to mid time frame here, we have this movement to the upside that is either a fifth wave and could complete relatively soon, or a very long third wave of a third wave. And so far I could count this in quite a few ways, and that is not a great thing to be able to do, because it doesn't provide the clarity that we would like to have to follow the structure and the price. And yeah, so I could count this in a leading diagonal in a wave 1, and then a wave 2 down, and then this could be another leading diagonal in a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, but then this couldn't be a third wave up because it would be too short compared to this wave 1, so this would need to be another 1-2 setup. So you may see how that might become unrealistic in the case of a scenario such as the white scenario, and even in the yellow scenario it doesn't look good, because I already have a 1-2, 1-2, and then I go here 1-2, 1-2, 1-2. It becomes unrealistic to the degree that I would need to expect enormous amounts of upside in this third wave to the upside. And so far we aren't seeing that bullish structure that we would expect in such a movement. So we need to be very careful. I will provide a cautionary count in this area where I could say that, okay, this may be in an ABC pattern. We are completing a leading diagonal in the third wave, yeah, in a wave 1, and then this could be maybe an ABC, and then this could be an ABC to actually complete this third wave. And then we would in the end have a larger wave, oh, I meant to grab the marker, a larger wave 1 in a leading diagonal, and then a wave 2, and then we may start a proper impulse to the upside in the third wave, and that would be quite a bullish movement to the upside. But the thing is, we could be building really the same structure in this yellow fifth wave, and then need to expect direct downside in a wave 2, much deeper than we would normally expect for this 1-2. So for now, I could provide you some levels to watch in this latest movement to the upside, because even in this ABC, I could realistically still expect at least another larger 4-5 pattern to complete this C wave to the upside, and I would like to actually even make it clear and provide you an ABC count in this area. So realistically I could expect multiple 4-5 patterns, but I would like to see at least one, and then we can take it from there. Maybe the structure clears up, but so far the levels I am looking for a wave 4 support in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the levels between $197 down to around $175.8 at the 50% retracement area. Now it looks like it might push directly higher, and the support zone would need to follow that, but overall it wouldn't change much, So for now, these are the levels, this is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.